So very, very easy to use.
Right, it is.
The nice thing too, because it's so compact, but it still does quite a bit of square footage. Like this unit's capable of doing about 17,000 square feet per hour.
Okay.
Right?
Right.
So, and the best thing about it is like, look how dry your floor is.
Yeah.
Completely dry.
Right.
Yeah, so that's it. Great. So now what we want to do, turn it just to suction. Okay, you're going to tilt the machine back like this and just walk forward. Start walking forward. Yeah. Just so you can pick up the excess water. So. Right?
It's look.
Like, look how dirty this is getting, right?
Is.
It's just, and that's just water.
Yeah.
Right? We didn't even use chemical or detergent at all, right? So just goes to show how effective the equipment is. So yeah, so you obviously want to maintain this every day because you don't want it to stink or anything like that, right? So you want to empty this, okay? But other than that, that's really it, right? Because it's such a basic unit and they're so simple to use, there's not much required for maintenance other than actually maybe wiping down this gasket, right? So this gasket helps your sealing profile with the vacuum suction. So you just want to make sure you're taking a microfiber, cleaning this off.
Okay.
So, okay, so there's the charger. Very, very simple to charge the machine. All you're gonna do is this goes to any standard 110 outlets, okay? And then this, okay, so this is important. I'm gonna show you this because a lot of people make this mistake. You charge the wrong port. I'll quickly show you guys which port is the correct port. Okay, I'm just gonna move up the machine here real quick a little bit. Oh, okay, so see on the back here, there's two ports. So you have to make sure it's off, okay? And again, remember how I was talking about not opportunity charging this machine? Let it go down. Do not use it for 15 minutes and then charge it. Use the bars, okay? Or else you're gonna replace batteries instead of 2-3 years, you're gonna replace them after a year, okay? So very important. So I'm just gonna pull this out and show you guys, okay? So, see this port right here? You do not plug it into this one.
Okay.
You plug the charger into the bottom one. Okay. And it shows you a pictogram right here. So it shows you which one to charge.
Okay.
My recommendation for your staff. Yeah, this is your control panel.
Okay.
Okay, the electric, this is your circuit to the control panel.
Got it.
My recommendation is take a pen and write battery on here or a sticker, just so your team knows which one to charge.
Okay.
Okay? Right, because a lot of people don't look at the pictures, so you want to make it as easy as possible for your team.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay?
For additional information and the most competitive prices, visit our website at regentsupply.com. Don't forget to show your support by liking this video and subscribing for more exclusive Regent Supply content.